Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today. In this video, I would be discussing my one-on-one coaching sessions with you in order for you to understand which coaching session would suit you the best. I would be discussing what each coaching session includes. So before booking a session, you are well informed and you know what it entails and whether it would benefit you or not. So last year when I launched my coaching sessions, I had just a 30 minutes and 60 minutes video call available. But now if you go on my scheduling page, you will see a lot of different kind of options available. The reason being I wanted to cater to different kind of audience. So not everyone might find a video call useful. Not everyone wants to invest in a video call session with a coach because they can be quite expensive. So, starting with the first coaching pack, it's called Instagram Coaching Pack, and it was introduced just 1 month ago. And because it's such an affordable option, I received a really good response, an overwhelming response, if I may. Now, what is included in the Instagram Coaching Pack? It's basically coaching through Instagram direct messages. The pack includes 3 replies from my side, and it would be in the form of a voice note. So once you purchase this session, you will receive a confirmation email which includes my Instagram profile link. You can go there, send me a request, and the validity period for this coaching is 1 week. My coaching packs are very well structured in order to ensure I'm using my time and efforts in a correct manner. The Instagram coaching pack has a length restriction of 15 lines. So within the 15 lines, you can share anything that you want to share with me and I would be replying with a voice note. In case the message length exceeds 15 lines, I would be requesting you to edit the message and resend it to me. Now, what can you use the Instagram coaching pack for? You can use it for any kind of questions, doubts you have around manifestation, around a specific desire. But my advice for you is not to make these messages very general because it's just 3 replies from my end. And if you do not specify your problem, if you do not narrow it down, I'm going to also send very general replies, right? And even if in my reply, I start inquiring for you to become really specific about a certain situation, you are just going to kind of waste your messages and getting specific by the second or third reply. So, specifically, if you're choosing the Instagram coaching pack, I would not want you to go general just to ensure whatever you're investing, how much ever small or big amount it is for you, it's used wisely. Because if you send a general question, for example, I want my specific person back, what should I do? I'll give you a general reply. Now, why do you want to waste that coaching pack for general replies when all of my general replies are available in the form of free videos on my channel? So, narrow down your issue. Don't say, I want my specific person back. What should I do? I could give you 100 things to do. So, get really specific with your questions. I'll give you a few examples of what I mean. I can't keep my attention off the 3D. What can I do? Please help me with some tools and methods or some kind of mindset that I can remember. I am not able to stick to my manifestation routine or my discipline or the internal work, or I don't understand what the internal work means. What do I do? Or how can I ignore the third party when I see him or her every day? We work together and they're around me all the time. Or do I have to be in the end state the whole day? What do I do if I can't achieve the end state? How do I do SATs effectively? So these are just some examples. And I'm not saying that I will not pick up the general questions if you send them to me. Sometimes even you are not able to recognize what kind of specific questions you want to ask. But for that, you need to take the in-depth coaching sessions of 30 and 60 minutes. I can't really do that in 3 Instagram replies. So even if you do send me general questions like how do I fix my self-concept, and I have no idea about your background, your behavioral patterns, your insecurities, what experiences you have had, or what kind of people you have been around that broke your self-concept, I will still take up those questions, of course, but it's going to be general replies to general questions. But if you want to make the coaching pack worth your time and money, then get really specific answers from me. Use my expertise and knowledge. Okay. And for that, you need to send me specific problems and situations. So that's all about the Instagram coaching pack. If you want to book it, you can go to my scheduling page. In order to book it, you need to select a slot. So don't worry about that. You can select any time slot because the time slot has nothing to do with the coaching pack. The time slot does not imply me messaging you or you have to message me on Instagram at that time slot. It's just a medium for you to land on the payment page. As soon as you receive your confirmation email, whenever that is, the same day, next day, you can drop a message to me on Instagram. Now, coming to the next coaching session, it is a 15-minute slot. So it's only applicable for quick solutions, doubts, or problems. You cannot really utilize the 15-minute slot to get into in-depth analysis and discussing your past and discussing your current behavioral patterns and your current situation. For that, it's very important for you to book a detailed session. So again, if you are booking a 15-minute slot, ensure that you have a very specific problem in your mind and you know when you're joining the session what you want to ask and what solution you want. So the 15-minute session is more like a chat where I am addressing some kind of specific problem for you or giving you a quick fix or solution or a tip, trick, tool, method, mindset, knowledge for a specific circumstance, whatever your problem is. But please do not book a 15-minute session knowing very well that we would have to get into a lot of details about your past, present, the history, the experiences, the patterns, everything. There have been times where my 15-minute session have turned into half-an-hour sessions and I was not really able to do anything about it. So I just when you book the coaching session, I put in details over there for you to reconfirm that you are coming in the session with a specific question in your mind and it's not any in-depth guidance you are requiring. Because I wouldn't be able to do that anymore. I wouldn't be able to stretch any kind of 15-minute session to half an hour and half an hour session to 45 minutes. And that's why I have restructured my coaching sessions. At the beginning of the coaching session, I would tell you very clearly that the first 10 minutes we would be discussing this. Then you have 5 minutes to tell me about your past or 5 minutes to tell me about your current situation in a summarized way. And then we go on to the solution, the actionable items, the manifestation routine. I'm a firm believer of respecting time, whether it's my time or someone else's time. And that includes starting things on time and also ending things on time. Now, a summary of the 30 minutes and 60 minutes coaching session. This is also available on my scheduling page. What is the exact difference between these two sessions? Definitely a 60-minute session is more in-depth. And when I say in-depth, I'll tell you exactly what kind of things I include in that session, which are not included in the 30-minute session. So my 30-minute session is called Focus, Solution, and Guidance. What does that mean? When I say focus solution, the session is all about your targeted desire, whether it's a specific person, wealth, money, or your self-concept. We are targeting your desire. Everything in the session would be about your desire. That means we would be discussing your current circumstances, your 3D reality, and your current behaviors, habits, any kind of actions you're taking that is hampering your manifestation process. We then move on to techniques and a manifestation routine, understanding what works for you, what you're comfortable with, which I start preparing once the session is over. So I will be preparing a routine for you and sharing it with you along with 2 manifestation workbooks to get your work started. And towards the end, if we have some time left, 5 minutes or 7 minutes, I talk about your subconscious mind a bit, how your mind works and why we need to do repetition and persistence in order to take on the identity of the person and start believing a new narrative that we have what we're trying to manifest. Now, the 60-minute session is called In-Depth Analysis and Guidance. Now, why is it called in-depth? Because we not just discuss your current circumstances, but we take a deep dive into your past experiences and circumstances that may have caused certain beliefs, certain behaviors that are now hampering your future manifestation. In the 30-minute session, the past circumstances are not discussed. It's only about your current desire, what's stopping you from achieving your current desire, and that is our focus point. In the 60-minute session, past circumstances, current circumstances, and along with targeting your specific desire, we are also targeting your self concept. What is weakening your self concept, and how having a strong self concept will help you with manifesting the specific desire and everything else. In addition to talking about the behaviors and habits that might be hampering your manifestation process, I also discuss emotional stability and how you can manage your peers' doubts, triggers in order to deal with the resistance in the moment when it's taking place. What kind of exercises you can do, and how you can regulate your nervous system so that it does not stop you from continuing your manifestation work. And towards the end, I go into how your subconscious mind works and how you can unlock it, how you can start taking your power back. So these were the one-on-one coaching sessions that includes an Instagram coaching pack and 15, 30, and 60 minutes video call sessions. Moving on to the next coaching packs, these are combination packages, which includes a 30 minutes call and follow-up emails. So under this category, we have two types of coaching sessions. One coaching session is a 30 minutes call and one email follow-up. And the second one is a 30-minute session and 2 email follow-ups. The structure does not change. The 30-minute session includes everything I just mentioned a few minutes back. You can use your follow-up emails for any kind of questions or problems you have. Again, the email coaching is well structured. So the email length restriction is 25 lines as seen on a laptop or a desktop. When you open your Gmail or Outlook, if you can count it up to 25 lines, that's your limit. Any email exceeding 25 lines will be sent back, and I would be requesting you to edit it and resend it to me. And because this coaching pack includes emails, it also has a validity period, which is 3 months. You can only utilize your follow-up emails once your one-on-one video call session is done. So you cannot send me an email first and then book a session and then an email. It's a one-on-one video call session and then follow-up email. You will receive all the instructional steps in the confirmation email once you book the call. After finishing the video, I realized that I forgot to speak about my last type of coaching available, which is the email coaching. If you're someone who is not comfortable with one-on-one coaching and prefers spreading out their emails and their problem statements, you can go for email coaching. Under email coaching, I have 2 types of coaching, which is the general email coaching and one is emergency email coaching. Evidently, the emergency email coaching pack will have a few more benefits because the email length restriction in a general email coaching is similar to the combo pack, which is 25 lines, whereas in emergency email coaching pack, it's going to be 50 lines. The response timeline for general email coaching does not include weekends, but the emergency coaching packs will include weekends, which means I will be replying to you even during the weekends. The general email coaching pack will have a response timeline of 3 business days, again excluding weekends, whereas the emergency email coaching pack will have a response timeline of 1 business day, including weekends. The validity period and prices are also different for both the categories. You can check out the prices on my scheduling page. When it comes to the validity period, the general email coaching pack is valid for 6 months. So you need to utilize your emails within 6 months. And when it comes to the emergency email coaching pack, the validity is 12 months, which is 1 whole year. So each category includes 3 types of coaching packs, 3 emails, 5 emails, and 7 emails. And again, you can utilize this for any kind of manifestation topic. I will give you in-depth guidance. If you require a routine, I will give you routines. If you require any kind of guidance or techniques or knowledge or steps to be followed, I will be doing all of that. Just ensure you use your emails within the validity period and you do not cross the line restriction. In case the email exceeds 25 or 50 lines, I would be asking you to edit it and resend it to. So I hope you are able to understand what each coaching pack includes and you can choose the best one that suits you. Now coming to the Indian customers, for them there is a different way to make the payment. I currently only have a PayPal account and PayPal does not permit domestic transactions. So the Indian customers would not be able to make the purchase on the Acuity scheduling page. So what you can do is, to understand what you want to book, to understand what it includes, you can head to my Acuity scheduling page. Under each product and under each service, you will find a note which includes a link to either a Google form or a Google Drive folder. You have to just fill out the Google form. The prices in Indian rupees is mentioned over there, and you can make the payment through Google Pay. Once you have made the payment, you send me the screenshot of the payment. I will confirm it with my bank, and after that, you will receive the product or services that you have paid for.